one thing for certain. We want to help. Come see what the beginning looks like at openforum.com.
Hello, subscribe. Kisses.
Excuse me. Butoni?
Take an Italian masterpiece called New from Italy. Wild
What up,
mushroom
man?
butter. Simple ingredients, artfully prepared.
Oh, the tree
Butoni,
daddy.
the Italian art of food. New in the refrigerated section.
Like she's saying, I've just about had it right up to here.
Already with the nails.
And now there's even a snuggie for your dog.
Mom, we have to give you a pedicure and manicure.
That'll keep you cozy from head to toe and totally warm wherever you go.
Maddie's belly button fell off today. What is it?
Show
29th?
30th.
Today's the 30th? I got no belly button. Still licky, but no gooey thing.
I think she's gonna have an any. I don't know.
Think so.
Huh?
Think so.
Yeah. You got it?
Oh, I got it.
Snap you back up, girl.
Unlike ordinary candles, Glade scented oil candle tins
Wakey, wakey. Baby aerobics. Teach you to drink all those bottles last night. Look what mommy's doing to you. Yeah, she's sleeping in the background of this. Will be off baby crying.
Yeah. What? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
All while she sleeps.
That's right. She's getting her baby exercises.
The kids will stay gone for about a
Hey.
week and a half to give Kate time to recover.
Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
The day has finally arrived.
Ride the bike. Ride the bike.
And Kate is about to be marked up for her tummy tuck. When did I start saying I was nervous?